Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of micro-investing platforms, specifically Spaceship. Spaceship has become a popular option, particularly for young adults, promising to make investing fun, easy, and accessible. But before you blast off with your hard-earned cash, let's take a closer look and see if Spaceship is truly a safe and lucrative option for your financial goals. The allure of Spaceship, investing made easy. Let's face it, traditional investing can seem intimidating. Jargon-filled prospectuses, complex platforms, and the fear of picking the wrong stock can leave many feeling overwhelmed. Spaceship understands this. Their app-based platform boasts a user-friendly interface, making investing feel like a game. You answer a few questions about your risk tolerance, and Spaceship creates a diversified portfolio based on your goals. They even have fun features like automatic contributions and spaces that allow you to set specific savings targets for things like a dream vacation or a down payment on a house. But is it safe? Here's the deal. While the ease of use is certainly appealing, the question remains, is Spaceship safe? The good news is, your money itself is secure. Spaceship uses a custodian to hold your investments, meaning even if Spaceship goes belly up, your holdings are protected. They also employ industry-standard security measures to safeguard your personal information. However, there's a difference between the safety of your money and the potential returns. Here's where things get a little tricky. Understanding the risks, performance, and fees. Spaceship, like any investment platform, isn't immune to market fluctuations. The value of your portfolio will go up and down. This is inherent to the stock market, and it's a risk you take with any investment. What's caused some controversy with Spaceship is their recent performance. The tech-heavy portfolio they favor has taken a beating in the past year. This has left some investors feeling burned, questioning Spaceship's investment strategy. Another crucial factor to consider is fees. Spaceship charges an annual fee based on your investment amount. These fees can eat into your returns, especially if you're starting with a smaller portfolio. Is Spaceship right for you? So, the big question, should you invest with Spaceship? It depends. Here are some things to consider. Investment horizon, are you investing for the long term, think retirement, or short term, a few years? Spaceship might be suitable for a long-term strategy where market volatility can even out. Risk tolerance, how comfortable are you with potential losses? Spaceship's tech-heavy portfolio can be risky. Investment knowledge, are you new to investing? Spaceship offers a user-friendly platform, but it might lack the customization options for experienced investors. Alternatives to consider. If Spaceship doesn't quite fit the bill, there are other options. Robo-advisors, similar to Spaceship, but some offer more investment strategies and lower fees. Traditional brokerages provide more control over your portfolio but require more investment knowledge. Do your research, invest wisely. The key takeaway? Don't blindly jump into any investment, including Spaceship. Do your research, understand the risks and fees, and consider your financial goals. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Building wealth takes time, discipline, and a well-thought-out strategy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.